This is my time-saving lean suggestion. For the fast frame floor layouts that you get, that normally could take anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes to go through, line it out, do your PET plus 3 math for your joist, your rim, your LVLs, your timber strand. Could take up to 30 or 40 minutes. You get interrupted, you have to start over, maybe you do the math wrong somewhere along the way, you have to start over. So what I developed was a spreadsheet template to put your PDF data into so it does your math for you. So you take your floor layout that they email you and you highlight whatever section you want to tally. Highlight it. Hit Control C and paste it into your template. It essentially does the math. It did all the math for a PET plus 3 and does your tally for you. So if you're not doing math so good that day, at least the math is done for you, and it saves you could save you anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes depending on how big your floor is. Also, it saves time down the line. If you do your math wrong, Fast Frame doesn't have to send it back to you to correct. And your quotes are more accurate for your customers. And I also have a template for nearest foot, so you can do PET plus 3 or nearest foot. Currently, Fast Frame is looking at a process to help us with this, to pre-tally it for you before they send you your floor layout or send it along with your floor layout.